What's up, guys? So it's your favorite investor in the forex market, Emilimi Agbili, your favorite swing trader, and today I'll be talking to you guys about what brokerage firm I used to take and execute my trades. And before I go straight into all of that, I want you to make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, and make sure you share to your family and friends who are interested in learning about the forex market. So talking about the brokerage firm I use, over the past 5 years, I've been trading the forex market, the currency market most especially. I've used different brokerage firms. A couple, I started with Ugo's Way, and I moved down to a couple of other brokerage firms that I can't really remember, but I've not really had any bad experience with any of the firms. But right now, the brokerage firm I finally settled with is Exness. Now, if you go onto the internet on Google, just Google Xness, you'd see a whole lot of things about Xness, and you would see that they are a regulated broker. And now, what does it mean to be regulated? According to Google, you would see that being regulated as a broker means that that broker complies with with the rules and regulations of the regulatory bodies, which makes business to be free and fair, the trading business to be free and fair for us, the investors in the brokerage firm, basically we the traders. Yeah. So, and if you go onto the internet, you see a couple of regulatory bodies. We have the FCA, which the FCA I think is the UK. You have CYSEC and a couple of other ones. And if you go on Xness platform, you would see that they also are regulated by the FCA United Kingdom, which makes me know that my money is safe with them and they are legit. Another reason why I like Xness is that they have instant execution. They give me zero commissions on all my trades, and they have low spread. This is very nice because I know that my cost of transaction is very low trading with Xness. Also, if you are in Nigeria, to deposit with them, they give you dollar at bank rates, which is pretty chilled for me if you know what to do with that information. So, guys, this is the broker I use, and let's go straight into my screen. Hey, Shy, you're on my YouTube channel. I'm serious. So, Any, what's up now? Dotun, baddest. Showface, baddest. Hey guys, so coming to my screen, last week we were looking at this trend line and we were expecting a break out of this trend line, right? And also a break of this resistance level, a retest to take bite to the upside, which was here. We were looking at our targets at this level, and we were able to catch this move last week. We were able to catch this move last week. I think we caught this move last week in my VIP session. And then when I was also, after catching this move, right? After catching this move here, we were also waiting for a break here and retest here so we could catch another move to the upside. But we couldn't catch that because, okay, we got stopped out actually. I got stopped out personally. And when I got stopped out, I went to the H4, right? This is just me telling you how last week went for me, my trading experience last week. So I went to the H4 to draw this bullish trend line, right? Because we can see this bearish trend line has been violated, so we don't have it here anymore. What trend line we have now is a bullish one. And then when I saw a break of this level, yeah, at first we actually violated this inner trend line. You'd see the violation of this inner trend line, then we price formed structure here, inverted head and shoulder pattern somewhere here, and what and tanked, right? And dropped. This has been violated, so we don't have it. And also this has been violated, right? Because we had a break here, and I think it was on Thursday I saw this inverted head and shoulder. I didn't catch this move, but a VIP student of mine caught this move. And then the next day, which was on Friday, I came, saw this perfect structure, and I took a sell from here. I'll drop screenshots of my entry. Yeah, I'm still holding the trade because it hasn't really hit my target yet. Now, the reason why I'm holding this trade, let me tell you why I'm holding this trade. Now, if you come on the weekly time frame, right? The weekly time frame, tell me, what do you see? What do you see on the weekly time frame? You know what? Let's remove all drawings now. What do you see on the weekly time frame? You'd see that this structure what has been violated. I mean, you'd see this bullish structure, like structure has just changed on the weekly time frame. What do I mean? See this double top here, right? Sure, let me just change this. This double top, and now we have a lower what? A lower high, right? We already have a lower high on the weekly time frame, and also remember we come on the weekly time frame to draw our trend line, right? We come on the weekly time frame to draw our trend line. Just let's take this off because we already know we have a bearish market structure here. Now see what the daily looks like, right? Now what the daily is telling me is we might probably want to have like a third bounce of this trend line, right? Which is a third bounce or even a break if possible, and a retest, right? A break, a retest to keep dropping. That is like one scenario that could play out in the market. And another scenario is we could just see a bounce of this trend line and keep going up, right? That's another scenario that can happen. But what I know is we most likely will drop. Why? Because we've seen change in market structure on the weekly. See the lower highs, right? Lower highs already on the weekly. The daily, you see it consecutively, lower highs, meaning we have a trend line here. Let me draw the trend line well on the weekly. Sorry, I'm taking my time to dig deep into this so you guys can see exactly what I'm looking at, right? So we have a bearish trend line like this on the weekly. First touch, second touch. Now see what it looks like on the daily. On the daily, we can just adjust this trend line like this. First touch, second touch. Yeah, second touch, meaning we have a downward trend in motion, even despite the fact that we are in the buyer's market. And the H4 is telling me what? H4, you can see what it looks like now, right? Very clear. What is the H4 telling me now? H4 telling me that this upward trend has what? This upward trend has been violated. So everything is telling me it's dropping, right? Everything is telling me it's dropping. Now you know we come to the H4 to do what? To plot our key levels. Now this is where you use your key levels to actually. There are different things you can use your key levels to do. You can use them for entry. You can use them for exits. You can use them for so many things really. So many things. So we have. I think we also have another level somewhere here. Yeah, I think this is basically what my level is looking at now. My key levels looking at now, something like this. Right. So yeah, I think it's something like this. This is what my level is looking at. You know, GG can be very nasty sometimes. You need to make sure that you are taking account of the levels properly. GG can be very, very nasty. Yeah. So right now this is telling me it's a sell. I can see really no much major level we can look out for here. And the good thing is this level, this zone, right, is in line with this trend line. So even if we are going to the top, right, even if we are going back to the top, right, we'll be getting a drop to this level most likely, or price could just open and reverse and like just go upwards. But that's the thing. The market is you can't predict the market 100%. You can just like speculate what you are looking at as a person, and I'll just be looking out for basically just bearish setups, maybe a retest here when market opens, target somewhere here, or even probably a deeper one somewhere here, target somewhere here. But really, I am more or less bearish on GJ. I would only be bullish if we see maybe, let's say something like this, maybe a breakout of this level. Sorry, yeah, a breakout of this level, and maybe I'll be taking buys, but I'm not really bullish on GJ for now. I'm bearish till we get to this particular point and see what happens. So guys, so we've come to the very end of this video. I hope you've been able to learn something, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, make sure you share to your family and friends who are interested in learning about the forex market. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.